Hello everyone, we're going to talk about how to build a chord solo today, and I'll show you exactly what you need, and I'll give you the tools you need to build up a chord solo, okay? So let's get started. Alright, to be able to comfortably play chord solo, and even when you're comping, to create melodies with the chords, you need to learn certain things. I mean, one of them is the chord inversions on certain string groups, and the most used one is 1, 2, 3, 4, the top 4 strings. Okay, let's look at some inversions for C major 7 for that string group. Okay, here we go. Let's hear the same thing for a 2 minor 7 and a 5/7 chord separately. Okay, here's a 2 minor 7 first. Okay, now let's do the same thing with 5/7 chord. Okay, now we can do a lot only using these 4 inversions. You can play single notes in between to create more complex melodies. It's also possible to create melodies with block chords and all the scale degrees, but we want to use something else. We want to play one inversion and then play a single note and then play another chord inversion, like passing from one to another, all right? And this gives you fluency. Let me give you an example of that for a major 7 chord. Now, we can do the same thing with minor 7 and the dominant 7 chords, all right? Actually, let me even play you a 2-5-1 doing this. We've seen the inversions, we've seen the passing tones using a single note. We learned how to create basic melodies. There's another thing that's important when you're playing alone, a solo. You need to keep the bass moving in jazz, and the most basic version of that is 1 and 5 and alternating between them, okay? And how do we do that? All right, let me play you an example. What do I mean? Okay, we use this basic 1-5 passing from first degree to fifth degree a lot in the chord solo that I played you at the beginning of this video. I'll show you where exactly. Here. Okay, and here. video is going to be part of a mini series. There's a lot of different things involved, and I didn't want to fit it in one video, all of it. But I'll make this a mini series, maybe 3-4 video long, and we'll go on from where we left off. If you want to learn chords in more detail, please download our jazz application called Jazz a Minute. There's a lot of detailed info in there, and you can see all the notation and the tabs and all. So you can download it from Apple Store or Google Play Store. Okay, it's an application that I wrote just for education purposes. And check out the chord systems in there as well. It'll help you. And watch out for the second part of this video. I'm gonna teach you more things about this, okay? And don't forget to like and subscribe. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. All right.